Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Partway channel. I'm Lita.
And I'm Smith.
Today's topic is how to think in English. Many learners translate from their native language, and that makes speaking slow and stressful.
Exactly. If you want to sound natural, you need to train your brain to think directly in English.
And don't worry, it's easier than you think. Today, we'll share tips, fun practice ideas, and even do some role-play conversations.
So, why is it important to think in English?
When you translate, you lose time. For example, imagine you want to say, I'm hungry. If you think in your own language first, you pause, translate, and then speak. By that time, maybe the conversation has already moved on.
Yes, but if you train your brain to say it directly in English, it's faster. I'm hungry. I want pizza.
Another reason, translating often causes mistakes. In my language, we say open the light, but in English, it's turn on the light.
Good example. Thinking in English helps you avoid these little translation traps.
Okay, let's talk about how learners can practice thinking in English every day.
Tip 1. Self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. For example, when you wake up, say, "Good morning. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee."
That's powerful. It sounds silly at first, but it trains your brain.
Tip 2. Describe what you see. Look around your room. This is a chair. The window is open. My phone is on the table.
And start simple. Don't try to make long sentences at first.
Tip 3. Change your environment. Switch your phone, apps, or even shopping lists to English.
Yes, small changes in daily life really add up.
And here's my personal story. I used to talk to my dog in English every day. My dog didn't mind, but I learned a lot.
Now, let's practice with real conversations about ordering food at a cafe.
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please. And can I get a sandwich too?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
See? Very short, simple sentences. Now let's practice with real conversations about meeting someone new. Hi, my name is Lita. What's your name?
I'm Smith. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. How about you?
I'm from Spain.
Simple but natural. Now let's practice with real conversations about hobbies.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy playing football and cooking. What about you?
I like reading books and watching movies.
Notice how we used very basic grammar, but it still feels like real conversation.
Here's an important tip. Don't focus too much on grammar.
Yes, if you only think about grammar, you freeze. Focus on meaning first.
Another tip, use English media. Listen to songs, watch short videos, podcasts, or even cartoons.
Cartoons are great because they use simple English and lots of repetition.
Also, think in pictures. For example, when you see an apple, don't think of your native word first, just connect the image directly with the English word apple.
Let's make it fun with some games. Name 3 fruits in English in 5 seconds. Go.
Apple, banana, orange.
Great. Now you try with animals. Go. I'll describe something, and you guess. It's small, you use it to write, it has ink.
A pen.
Exactly. Okay, before we finish, let's give some final advice.
Number 1, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Number 2, practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes of English thinking helps.
Number 3, be patient. Thinking in English takes time, but it gets easier every week.
That's right. Remember, thinking in English is like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep thinking in English.
See you next time on Easy English Conversations.